Hello, students of all ages. My name is Mr. Josh. I'm not your only teacher, just the most fun, and I'm going to teach you how to make a cup glider today. You only need three things. You need cup, tape, and rubber bands. Start with tape. I like to get my tape ready, like that, and cut it. Next, you need your rubber bands. You're going to make a rubber band rope, like this. First, you get a rubber band, and you put it inside the other, like this. Oop. Like this. All right, here we are. Now, you take your fingers like so, and you make a rubber band loop knot. You see, I pull like this. Dun, 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 dun. And then I do it again on this side, because 3 rubber bands is the best. You can do more rubber bands, but you'll see it gets a little difficult. It's hard to wrap more than 3 around the cup. Next, you need 2 cups like this. Bing, 2 cups. Bing. Remember that tape? Wait for it. Here it is. I hold it together and I go. Boom. Got it. And here is the finished cup. Da la la la. Okay. And now here's the cup glider. You can decorate it. You can go like this. You can take, a marker, and you can go. Make fire and flames on this side. Yeah. Fire bender, and on this side you got water bender, water. It doesn't look like water, but I'm gonna pretend it looks like a wave, and I'm surfing. Okay, so we have water over here, and we have fire over here. You don't have to decorate it, but I like to decorate things. Okay, and then next, you need rubber bands. So I have 3 rubber bands here, like that. These are fresh rubber bands. If you use old rubber bands, they don't have a lot of elastic potential energy. We learned that word when we talked about force and kinetic energy and potential energy. But now we're going to use that elastic potential energy to shoot our cup glider. Well, you put your thumb on the rubber band like this, and then you wrap the rubber band around the cup glider, just like I said. Now, a key idea is you want the rubber band to go underneath the cup glider, like this. You see? It's underneath. If you go over, it will not fly. This has to do with the Magnus effect. Spinning objects create high and low pressure. And if it spins this way, it won't fly. It will actually shoot down. So we want it to be this way, underneath. So then we go around, make it tight, and around, make it tight. My thumb is still here. You see my thumb? And then you make it tight again. Okay, here we are. Okay. Now we're gonna shoot it underneath like this. Okay, we're gonna shoot it. Let's try that again. Okay. Now, you need to remember that science is about experimentation. If at first you don't succeed, you try again. And you can say, "Teacher, I don't know how to do it." That's okay. Nobody knows how to do it the first time, so you try again. What's important is that you don't give up. The scientific method requires test and improve. Experiment, analyze, reformulate your hypothesis, and go again. Right? Okay, so let's try again. Okay, I'm going around like this, going around. Okay. Now, am I over or am I under? Oh. Okay. Oh, ow. Okay, here I am. Now I'm under like this. You can see I have my thumb here, and I'm pulling here, and I can shoot like. You didn't see it. Let's do that again. Again, I wrap around this, and then I'm underneath, and I hold it, and I shoot it. Okay, so we just did the scientific method. It goes, observe. What are the facts? The facts are, a cup glider can fly. You only need 3 materials: 2 cups, 3 rubber bands, and tape. Maybe you need scissors to cut the tape. We have a testable question, and the testable question is, can I make it fly? My hypothesis is yes, you can, but don't give up. Keep trying. That's the scientific method, trial and error. My experiment, I shot the cup glider. And last, the analysis, well, I messed up the first time, and I tried again. How about you? Can you try and try again until you succeed? I think you can. I also think you can make a presentation just like this. I'll see you later.